Good morning everyone. My name is Raj Roshan Kumar and I am currently pursuing at BCA IBM at Gopal Narayan Singh University Jammuhari in Sasara. Today I am going to present a very important concept in data structure, the linked list. This topic play a key role in understanding how dynamic memory and non-contiguous data store work in programming. To start the introduction for linked list in PowerPoint presentation, you should aim to grab attention and provide a clear understanding of what a linked list is and why it's important. Here is suggest a structure and simple intro my slide content. To our overview of linked list. Point, what is a linked list? Point, a structure of a node. Point, types of a linked list. Point, advantage of linked list. Point, disadvantage of linked list. Point, basic operation. Point, application of linked list. Next slide. What is linked list? A linked list is a linear of data structure in which each element is a separate object called a node. Unlike array, linked lists are not stored in a contiguous memory location. Point, linear data structure consists of node connecting by the pointer. Each node contains data and a pointer to the next node. Supports dynamically memory allocation. A structure of node. See code for defining a node. Struct node cost int data semicolon struct node start next semicolon bracket semicolon. Types of linked list. Singly linked list, one direction only. Doubly linked list, forward and backward navigation. Circular linked list, last node point to the first. Advantage of linked list. Dynamic size memory allocates as needed. Efficient insertion या deletion, especially at the beginning or middle. No memory wastage. Disadvantage of a linked list. First point, extra memory for pointer. Second point, no random access. Third point, sequential access memory. Basic operation. First one, transversal, visiting each node in the list. Insertion, adding a node at the beginning, middle or end. Deletion, removing a node from any position. Searching, finding a node with a specific value. Application of linked list. First point, stack and queue. Second point, graph and tree. Memory management. Application of linked list. Implementation of stack and queue. Dynamic memory allocation. Graph and adjacency represents managing polynomials, large number, etc. Conclusion. Linked list is a pointer-based dynamic data structure, ideal of dynamic memory scenario for the basic of complex data structure.